Yes. This is the to share. Okay. This is there. Okay. I'm again making this video for you. في يوم أفهمني والداي فوائد توفير المال وخزاني إلى البنك لأنهما أرادا أن يفتح حسابا باسمي حتى أتعود توفير قليل من الفلوس التي آخذها من والدي من وقت إلى وقت وشهريا. One day my parents make me understand the benefits of saving money, and they took me to the bank because they decided to open an account by my name with my name, and so that will be habitual to save money, some money from that which I took I take my from my father time to time and in monthly which I take. ذهبنا إلى البنك ودخلنا مباشرة في غرفة مدير البنك لأنه صديق والدي منذ أن كان طالبا في كلية زاكر حسين. We went to the bank and we entered directly in the bank manager room because he is he is a friend of my father since they were students in Zakir Hussain College. سر المدير بشير أحمد ورحب بنا. The manager Bashir Ahmed became happy and he welcomed us. جلسنا أمامه. We sat in front of him. فقال والدي للمدير. So my father said to the manager, حضرت اليوم لفتح حساب توفير باسم ابني شكيل. Today I came to open saving account by with the name of my son Shakil. فقال المدير أهلا وسهلا. The manager said most welcome. فليفتحن هذا الحساب. He should open this account. ولكن يبدو أنه قاس, but it looks that he is unable. يكون حسنا أن يفتح حسابا ثابتا. It is better that he should open that and fixed account. يودع فيه شكيل مبلغا معينا كل شهر ل3 سنوات. Shakil will deposit a fixed amount every month for 3 years. Shakil will deposit a fixed amount every month for 3 years. إنه يكون قد بلغ سن الرشد بعد 3 سنوات. And then because he will reach the recommended age after 3 years. وسوف يمكن له, and it will be possible for him أن يسحب المال المؤفر مع الفائدة to withdraw the money, the saved money, to withdraw the saved money with interest. ويفتح حساب توفير and can open the saving account in أحب ذلك if he like it. اتفق والد شكيل على ذلك. Shakil's parents agreed on it. دق المدير الجرس. The manager rang the bell. دخل الفراش. The peon entered. قال له المدير أطلب محمدا. The manager said to him, أطلب محمدا. It is coming second witness.
Join the meeting page, see the finances of chapter 212.
Hisab Shakil signed on it as the owner of the account and his father as witness. Shakar al Walidul Mudira, father thanked Mudir, the manager, and Waadul il Manzil, and then when they returned to home. Now I want that word meaning, so I have sent to you there on WhatsApp group. So you have to write word meaning from there. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.